Greetings, esteemed colleagues. I'm Russ Adams. I am the Superintendent of Schools at MOC Floyd Valley. I have been in this position for 8 years now. Prior to that, I had the privilege of serving under Mr. Richardson as the high school principal here. The things that I'm looking forward to the most in this course are the section on integrating faith in the course. I think that having our faith as a foundation for what we do, for the relationships and the things that we do is fundamental, and it's important to recognize that. The other thing that I'm looking forward to is the learning a few things about how to best manage discussion forums. I want to be able to encourage and promote good dialogue, and I want to stay out of the way of the students at the same time. So, I'm looking forward to that, and looking forward to learning with all of you. Take care and God bless.